Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5083769 or maybe KB5082417 on your Windows 11 computer because of this error code, that is 0x800f0805. So if you are receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here. Once paused, click on resume updates and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now once done, go back to Windows settings and then if you see retry option over here, hit retry and then you can check. Still not working, then run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, run as administrator. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands one by one, paste it over here, hit the enter key. The commands are provided in the video description. Copy the second command, copy the complete command and then paste it over here, hit the enter key. If you receive any error, just ignore it and then run the third command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once done, now run the last command. Please ignore the error message. In your case, you might not receive the error message. Now restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are also provided in the video description. Type in cmd, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. The process will take some time. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, you can write down the name of the update. If you see retry, hit retry. Now over here, you can write down the name of the update, this one or maybe this one, whichever is giving you the error. Paste it over here, click on search. You can write down the name of the update and then click on search. And check your Windows version, type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command, check your Windows version. In my case, the Windows version is version 25H2. So check your Windows version and then open Windows settings, go to system and then go to about option. And check your system type. Now the system type in my case is 64-bit operating system. Now for me, the update is Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download. And once the download is complete, now actually you have to click on KB5083769. Let the download complete. Once this is complete, you can click on this file and then follow the on-screen instruction to install this update manually and then restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. Close all kinds of third-party application. Make sure only the update is running, rest close everything. If you have any anti-cheat program like Faceit Anti-Cheat, Riot Vanguard, you can uninstall it, restart your PC and then update your Windows 11. Now, if you have any third-party antivirus like Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, whichever antivirus program you have, you can disable your antivirus program while installing the update. Once you're done installing the update, you can enable your antivirus program once again. Still not working? Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, you have to restart your PC and then update your Windows. Now, still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. So click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. And then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here, and then click on next. Save it to desktop. Click on next, save, and let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish, and then let this close automatically. Then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.